Here comes question 5 for 500 points. Oh, very colorful question. A person makes a spinner with 11 sectors, numbered 2, 3, up to 12, so that the probability of spinning each number equals the probability of getting that number as the sum of the throw of 2 standard fair dice. What is the central angle in degrees of the sector that would be numbered 7? Is it 30 degrees, 360 over 11 degrees, 45 degrees, or 60 degrees? And we'll see who chose what, or we'll see how many chose what. 3 people chose D for 60 degrees, 1 chose C for 45 degrees. Nobody gave us any reward for typing that fraction. Now we'll see what the correct answer is. It was D, 60 degrees. 3 people got that right. Nice going, very good. Esha, did you get that one right? Can you tell us how you got it?
Okay, so basically if you roll 2 standard fair dice, you can get a 7 in 6 different ways. So you can say 1 and 6, 6 and 1, 2 and 5, 5 and 2, and 3 and 4 and 4 and 3. So that's 6 different ways. And then if you have 2 different die, you have 6 ways to roll each of them, so that's a total of 36 different options. And 6 of them give you 7, so 6 over 36 is 1 6. And then we have 360 degrees in a circle, so 1/6 of that is 60 degrees.
Exactly, very good. Nice explanation. And very good, the other 2 people getting that right. So we'll see what the score is now. Esha, now the 3-way tie for first between Esha, Joseph, and Justin. So those 3 must have gotten that right. Nice going. And Sandy tied, so it's not tied, she's there, with 700 points. A convenience store cashier rings up 4 items, the cheapest of which is $1.13, and the most expensive is $2.40. The cashier tells the customer, let's see, multiplying the 4 prices together, your total is $6.78. The customer cannot believe it. You don't multiply the prices, you add them. Well, sure enough, when the prices are added, the total is also $6.78. Unbelievable, isn't it? Yes. So what is the sum of the digits of the prices of the remaining 2 items, based on that information and the hint that we have there? Is it 8, 9, 10, or 12? That's the sum of the digits of the 2 remaining prices, all the digits of the prices. And then the hint that we have here is that $1.13 times 240, which is the lowest and most expensive prices, is 2.712, and when you divide the total by 2.712, you get 2.5. All right, everybody got all that with the hints? You probably had time to go to the convenience store and try this yourself while I was saying all that. But it's worth 700 points, and you have minute 45, 105 seconds. And we'll see what the correct answer is. It is 10. Very good. 2 people got that right. Nice going. Who did get that right? So Esha and Joseph. All right. Do you want to fight over the microphone to decide who explains it? She's yielding to you.
So she.
Oh, you guessed. Okay. I thought you were going to say something like, I yield my time to the... Go ahead. Yes, Esha.
Okay, so the 2 items that you do know is 1.13 and 2.40. So if you find the sum of those, that's going to be 3.53. And then 6.78 minus 3.53, you're going to get 3.25. Wait, no. Yeah, you're going to get 3.25. So you know the sum of your 2 items is 3.25. And the product of them, which they give you over there, is 2.5.
Wasn't that nice of them to give you that?
Yeah, so then you find 2 numbers that satisfy those. So you have to multiply to equal they have to add up to 3.25 and multiply to 2.5. So it'll be 2 and then 1.25. So 2 plus 1 plus 2 plus 5 is 10.
Right. In fact, as long as we're using the microphone, maybe, at this point, maybe we'll go through each of the contestants and see what they might do with the money if they won the big prize. Esha, what's your plans for the money? Besides making Joseph hold the microphone for the rest of his life. Well, if you won the big money, do you have any plans for it? What would you do? If you don't have any plans, it's all right.
Think about that.
You're going to think about that? All right. So, Joseph, what would you do?
I would be very shocked and amazed with $1,000. And I guess I would save it up for something.
Something? So they have a microphone. But that's right. So either Justin or Sandy?
I would probably just save it for college.
Uh-huh. what? I'm sorry.
Probably do the same.
Probably do the same. Save it for Justin's college?
Let's say for my own college.
For your own college, all right, that's good. Now,